Hi everyone, I'm Francesca from junkjournaljoy. Today I want to share with you how to create an envelope that fits perfectly in your junk journal. You'll need a large exercise book page and some paper for collage. My base for the envelope is an exercise book page that I already coffee stained, and now I have to put it in my junk journal to cut the excess. This is my personal junk journal that I made with a course from Amity Bloom. The link for the flip through and for the course is under this video. I want that my envelope pop out a little bit through through the pages, so I have to cut a piece that is a little larger than the size of my pages. Now tear or cut the excess, and for the closure fold the page where the flap has to be. And now we have a base for our envelope. And now we are ready for my favorite part, the collage part. I have some book pages, a painting that I made following a course by Jenny Flores. The link is under this video. I have some tissue paper and some digital paper that I print on the linen paper. I hope you can see the texture and the cream color. These are from Amity Bloom. Her Etsy shop is linked under this video, of course. I'm not going to use everything, but they are so beautiful, so I want to show you. Of course, use what you have. For example, I'm using some of my drawings, digital images, something is recycled, but please, please take this video as an inspiration and take what is good for you and discard the rest. Now I soften the edges, tear the page up, and I want to use my rose as a focal point. So this is the only image that I want to use on the back of my envelope. For this reason, so the tension is only on my rose, my big rose. And the other elements that I'm using are only something with some script on it. And the reason why I'm using some tissue paper on top of my elements is because it muted all the colors, so the look is more coherent, cohesive, okay? To hold everything together, I prefer using the stapler, but you can use glue, and it's a personal preference. I like the grungy look of the elements from the stapler. I decided to add also a little cluster to add more depth on the side. Here I'm using glue because my stapler doesn't arrive on the center of my envelope. And now to add more a cohesive look, I want to add some stamp. And you can also dump the ink if you want a vintage look, a worn effect. And thanks to the acetate package, I could see where the stamps fit better. And now we can do the front of the envelope. Here I'm using some washi tape from Amity Bloom. And here I'm using some folded book page to give more depth to my flap. cut the angles and use the discard piece as a template for the other side. I'm leaving this part most naked because the main part is the back side with my big rose. Now I'm satisfied, so I can glue my envelope and it's done. As a final touch, I want to add some custom buttons that I made with the washi tape from Amity Bloom shop. I have a tutorial for this, so the link is under this video. I hope you enjoyed this, this time with me. Let me know in the comments and see you soon. Bye!